Hey fam, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today what we are doing is we're going to do some smoked turkey and collard greens. You guys, smoked turkey and collard greens. This will make a great recipe video for your greens for the holidays. Because you know we got the Thanksgiving coming up, right? So hold on, you guys. Let me grab my phone. Give me 1 second. Yes, I'm sorry for the interruption, you guys. I had to keep my phone on, so therefore you heard it ringing. But anywho, let's get back into this video, you guys. You guys, I'm not here with you guys, but I'm here, okay? And I'll explain more, but meantime, we have the collard greens on, right? And I mean, not collard greens, but we got the smoked turkey. I put it on ahead of time because you got to put it on ahead of time because the meat is the most important part to your greens, okay? Especially when you're doing collard greens, or I'm gonna say beans as well, but you want that meat to be tender, right? So I'm not going to put any seasoning on it. As you see, it's just plain boiling by itself. I'm getting the juice out of the meat so that we can have a good pot of smoked collard greens. And so, guys, how's everybody been doing? That's good to know that you're doing fine. Guys, like I said, I'm here, but I'm not here. I have had a tragedy in the family. I lost my last uncle. So yeah, keep me and my family in prayer. You guys, I put a skillet over here. Don't ask me why, but I just need to pull the greens out. My mind is not with me. But I started this video, you know. So this is my favorite part to the wing, you guys. Oh my goodness, I got 2 of them. And when I get under pressure, I like to cook. And the strange thing is, I had this on my mind, and lo and behold, tragedy has struck, okay? So, I'm going to get me a bowl out, because I got a sink full of greens, and I just want to get these on in. Oh my goodness, you guys. So, we're going to cook these greens and get them on in. Cook them down so I can add my seasoning. Because I don't like to add seasoning beforehand. Because you don't want a salty pot of greens. And we're just going to get that from around there, you guys. But we want to cook them on down, right? Sometimes I take the meat off the bone of the turkey. Or, you know, and just let it do what it do. Ugh, excuse me. But it's time to get the holiday recipes out. And you know, as you guys know, I love my collard greens. I love any green actually, because you can do this with any green. And we're just gonna let this cook on down for a minute, so we can put the rest of them in here before we add our turkey back on here. You guys, so I have stripped some of my meat off on the on the smoked turkey. You guys follow me on this. Like I said, a tragedy has happened. And it's like I'm all over the place, okay? And I don't want to get rid of the video because I wanted to show these collard greens and how in detail of cooking the collard greens. That's how I started my morning off, right? I started my morning off. Let me get that out there. Because I wanted to, trying to get my recipes out for the holiday, you guys. And like I said, I have came to some troubling news. I lost my uncle. And hey, this is where I get my niche from. My great grandmother. Oh, she used to feed us. Oh, as teenagers, you couldn't get up without you clearing your plate, you know. And to know that I got one loving auntie who I love to pieces. You know, sending you my love, auntie, if you ever see this video. If you're a first time viewer to this channel, thank you for checking me out. I hope you love this content enough to like, comment, and share. And join the fam. Hit the notification bell. You know, and if you like to tribute to the video, you can always go in search of the heart. Or you can always cash at me. Y'all, the pain is so real. I kid you not, the pain is so real. You know, and that's the reason why I do these videos. It's because I was taught by the greatest. I was. And I had nothing but kings around me growing up. My father, his brothers, you know. And to know that the last one is gone, that's a painful feeling. And I don't mean to sour this video at all in any way, form, or fashion. But I'm not gonna lie, my heart is heavy. Give me a minute. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I'm sorry. I felt myself getting emotional. So, yeah. So, what I'm adding in here is some soul food seasoning. Now, I'm only using 2 ingredients. But by all means, use whatever seasoning you prefer. And I'm using some oh my goodness, y'all. You know, I'm using Goya. Okay? Stay with me, you guys. And that's all the seasoning that I'm gonna put on here. Now, I usually use olive oil, but I'm using me a little old cooking grease because that's what they used to use, right? And it's okay. It's still good. It's a Southern green recipe. You guys, it's going to be a delicious pot of greens to be exact, right? Oh, and we're just going to bring from the bottom to the top. Just like that. Oh my goodness. Bottom to the top. That's it. We're going to bring it bottom to the top. See, it doesn't take greens long at all to cook. I don't cook mine till they mushy. Because you still want that vitamin. I like a bite to my greens. You know? I like a bite. But anywho, I got me a little coffee water right here. I know I need me a coffee maker. And I don't know why, but I don't too much remember it when I'm going shopping, right? But we're going to put these right here. And I'm just going to make sure I cover them. Just like that. Get that meat right on in there, right? And then we're going to put the rest of the meat in here. Just like that. Put the rest of it. And take that off. But, yep, and we're going to turn this down low. Turn that down low. Just like that. And we're just going to let these greens cook. You guys, if you could smell the aroma in the kitchen. Who ready for the holidays? Because, hey, like I say, you guys, I got many videos. We're using different types of meat. And as you can guess, greens is my favorite. They is my go-to comfort meal. And I had that idea today before I got that phone call. But we're going to let this cook and you will see the end results. Okay, guys, so we have come to the end of our greens. You guys, check out our greens. They're perfectly cooked. You guys, they're perfectly cooked. Our meat is definitely tender. You know, it's definitely tender. Because, like I said, I brought it off the bone. I enjoy cooking with smoked meat. And I enjoy my greens. I try to get them in at least once a week. So I don't want to smother you guys with green recipes. But y'all know I'm the best in the YouTube community. I don't want nobody to take offense to it. But anyway, we got us some delicious greens, you guys. And, oh, we also... I made a pan of cornbread. So, yeah. Let me get that out. Oh, you guys, my phone is back ringing. We got us some delicious cornbread just right there. I mean, look at that brownness on that. I mean, you got... Ooh, that's hot. You guys, so how can you not enjoy this one-pot meal along with some cornbread, the Southern style recipe, you guys? So if you're looking for a holiday recipe for your greens or a green idea, you guys, let me get this green off this corner because it looked kind of funny, right? But anywho, you guys, I am the perfect channel to look at. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know that your girl loves cooking some Southern food. And yes, she prefer her greens as her go-to veggie. And you can always have a little piece of cornbread, a large piece. It all depends on your diet. And this is diabetic friendly. So most importantly, take control of your portion size. I'm going to bring you guys a peach cobbler recipe. And we're going to use just the natural goodness from the cans. Okay? We're not going to add any sugars or anything like that, because it can be done, and it's definitely diabetic friendly. It's all in the portion control, because you don't want to take too much starch in, but you got to have your crust, right? Okay, so follow me on this. And yeah, let's get these recipes on out for Thanksgiving and share them amongst friends and family, you guys, because that's what we do over here. And also, keep my family in prayer, you guys. I lost my last uncle. And I'm sorry for me getting a little emotional. If you notice in the video, like I said, you can always reach out to me. Every prayer counts for this family. And yeah, if you'd like to donate to the channel, you can also hit the heart. And you can also Cash App me. I always leave the Cash App in the description, because, you know, if it's anything that you want me to cook in particular, I'm not going to lie. You might have to help a sister out, because it's a lot of things I'm going through, and that's why I'm trying my best to pull out videos as much as I can, because I don't want to say it's basically financial, because it's not. It's more so, well, you could say, because I gotta help while it's needed. So, you guys, show some love. Check out the videos for me. Keep me moving in the, you know, and the, what is it? Y'all know I ain't, Y'all, just share the videos. Just share the videos. Check this channel out and help support your girl in that way. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you guys on the next video, which should be peach cobbler. But if it's not, don't hold me to it, because it's the holidays and my train of thought is not there. Just pray for me. And I'll see you guys. And I'm sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.